Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. Now today I'm going to be customizing a first and second Doctor figure. My second Doctor is going to be based partly off various different costumes over the years. He's going to hopefully have the trousers as seen in the two Doctors, and then I'm just going to give him a sort of very light grey, possibly white shirt with the blue bow tie. So that's going to do that. The first Doctor. Now, what I've looked up for this is the costume for the first Doctor that is on display at the Experience features a sort of mix of costumes, because it has his standard costume, but it has more of a blue necktie, which is something that I've already done on this figure. But the trousers are almost a slightly darker cream than his jacket. Now, from what I've seen on the of his waistcoat. Now, what I've seen of behind-the-scenes photos, it seems that he wore those trousers in the web planet, during which time he had a yellowish yellowish necktie and a blue waistcoat. Now, obviously, this one at the Experience is obviously a replica, so it's not made to really reflect any particular episode, I believe. When I looked at it last time I went, I don't recall seeing the name of the episode on the plaque, but I will have to dig through my pictures and see if I can find it. But yeah, it just, it's a nice... it's a different costume, and I thought I'd give that a go and just see what it looks like. It may not work out, so if that's the case, you might see this figure actually ending up with just plain dark grey trousers, as seen in the 3 Doctors and the 5 Doctors. So first of all, I'm going to get on to painting up the trousers, so let's get on to that now. And here are my finished first and second Doctor figures. I might have to lie the second Doctor down because he's constantly falling over. So yes, I'm really pleased with how these have come out actually. I decided to add the cross-hatching on the trousers of the first Doctor in the end, just because the plain colour just didn't look right to me. You know, it does need the texture to it of the cross-hatching. But overall, actually, it's come out really well. It'd certainly be an interesting costume to see on him. As I said, this is based on the Experience, which, as far as I know, isn't for any particular episode. But it certainly presents a sort of quite an interesting look for the first Doctor, a bit lighter than the usual one. So on to my second Doctor figure. Again, you know, the cross-hatching, the plaid isn't as perfect as I would have liked, but it's not my area of expertise, doing the smaller details like that. But overall, I think it's come out well. It's an interesting look for him. It's something a bit different to the standard figures we get. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how they come out, and they're going to look good next to all of my other Doctors. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.